Get your heart pumping. When you exercise, your blood chemistry changes and your brain becomes the happy recipient of important nutrients. Try it for 20 to 30 minutes a day. It doesn't have to be beautiful, strong, or graceful. It just has to be active.
Spread your study. Yep, you got it. No cramming. Cramming or completely fill doesn't work. The problem with cramming is that the material does not get the opportunity to transform into long-term memory. So, spacing your study is so much better for you.
Teach what you have learned. Expecting to teach what has been learned has been shown to better for learning and memory than expecting only testing. Learning material with an intention to teach ensures that material is actively understood.
Know what is to come. We only have a limited amount of mental resources. Researchers have found that looking through an exam before working on it will reduce anxiety and improve performance.
Take a break. Here I have some sweet news. Take a short break after every hour of learning is better than working straight. Memory is strongest for the things learned immediately before and after a break. So keep those times for the tough stuff.
Test yourself. Testing yourself will force you to remember information. Every time you remember something, the information becomes little more enduring. Testing yourself on the information you have learned is more effective than reading the material over and over.
And ditch the all-nighters. All-nighters will mess with your ability to remember and process information. Pulling up an all-nighter can reduce your capacity to learn new things up to 40%. It takes your brain up to 4 days to return to normal after you have been awake all night.
Get some sleep. Sounds simple enough, but it's not always easy when there is so much to do. Deep sleep causes physical changes in the brain. Learning causes a branch to grow, but sleep helps to grow the leaves.
Striking a pause. Before attending a test, find somewhere private and strike a pause. Think Wonder Woman, hands on hips and legs apart. Superman, tall, shoulders back, expanded chest, arms stretched out in front of you. Or that boss thing, sitting back, the bottom of one leg over the thigh of the other. This might seem funny, but it actually works to reduce your stress.